Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So welcome back. Physical Education Chapter 6 Part 5 Test and Measurement in Sports. Oh dear student, it is the final part. Final part of this chapter. In previous part we completed the Harvard step test and one more that Rockport 1 mile test. In this we will do Rickley and John test for senior citizens. Some test batteries are given by Rickley and Jones for the senior citizens, means those are above 60 years for them to measure their fitness. Okay, Rickley and Jones senior citizen fitness test, it is known as the senior citizen fitness test. At first we will discuss the test batteries to check out the physical fitness of the senior citizens. Some test batteries are given. Simple one, very easy. First one is chair stand test for lower body strength. First one is chair stand test for lower body strength. Okay, first one it is. Second one is arm curl test. Arm curl test for upper body strength. For upper body strength. Third one is given chair sit and reach test. Chair sit and reach test. For hamstring flexibility. For hamstring flexibility. Another one is back stretch test for upper body strength. Back stretch. Test for upper body flexibility. Upper body flexibility. Another one is 8-foot up and go test. Up and go test for agility. Or next one, last one is 6-minute walk test for aerobic endurance. Aerobic endurance. So these 6 batteries, 6 tests are given in this Rickley and Jones test for senior citizen fitness test. So first one is chair stand test for lower body strength. In this 2-3 things require. One is chair. with 44 centimeter height. Okay, chair with 44 centimeter height. Second one is require stopwatch. Okay, stopwatch. In this test, what a individual will perform, we will place a chair against the wall with the height of 44 centimeter. There is no imbalancement, like chair should be properly balanced. The senior citizen or the person or the individual will sit on the chair, hand should be on the shoulder, or the angle of the leg should be 90 degree in between thigh or calf, or we can say that femur or fibula or tibia bone. Angle of these is must be 90 degree. The timekeeper will start the timing, or 30 seconds will be given. 30 seconds will be given to the individual. In these 30 seconds, a senior citizen person, how many times he will stand and sit, that will we will count, or that count how many times he will stand or sit, we will check in the chart is given in your book, you can check, or in the chart we will keep it where he will stand, that average, below average, excellent or good, whatever it is. Then that is the result of the individual for the chair stand test for the lower body strength. Next one is the arm curl test for the upper body strength. In this, these things also required two. Okay, one is 8-pound dumbbell. 8-pound dumbbell. Same procedure for 30 seconds they have to do curl up, like हम exercise करते हैं for biceps triceps, same. Okay, same exercise for 30 seconds. They will do this exercise, they will continue this exercise. After 30 seconds, completion of 30 seconds, coach or teacher will measure the how many time, how many repetition they will do, or that number we will keep in the chart where they will stand. That is the we can say arm curl up for the body strength. Chair sit and reach test. Same thing, individual will sit on chair, then we will, and then individual keep his leg straight. Okay, keep his leg straight, inhale, or then try to touch the feet, with their hand, or then exhale, or then touch the feet till where individual will reach. Okay, after the exhalation, if the individual we can say keep the position like touching the feet with his hand, or keep this position for 2 seconds, it means we will measure his flexibility. We will measure the flexibility. Okay. It's depend on like feet is there, so from feet how much he will keep his hand, how much he can bring his hand forward from our feet, or from backward how much gap is left. So these things we will measure, or that measurement of inches we will keep in the chart, or that is the result for us. Another one is back stretch for the upper flexibility. Back stretch is like this. Okay, individual will do this exercise if he is carrying his hand, means he is crossing his hand like this, that we will measure. If gap is there, means how much gap is there in between his both hand from back side, that gap in we will measure in inches, or we will keep it in that chart. If crossing, then how much it is crossing, this thing also we will keep in the chart, or we will check where he is standing. That is known as the back stretch test for the upper body flexibility. 8 foot up and go test. 8 foot up and go test. Suppose we will place a chair here, from here a cone we will place, means 8 feet distance must be there in between chair and that cone. Individual, after the blowing whistle or clapper, stopwatch will start, he will go and come back to the chair. The timing of cover this distance we will measure. Okay. That timing we will measure. What is the timing? He will take 7 seconds, 6 seconds, or in 0.54, whatever it is. We will check his timing, or that timing we will check, we will compare with the chart where the individual will stand. That is the performance of the individual. 6-minute walk test. In 6-minute walk test, distance is required. Rectangle area. Rectangle area. Rectangle, you know, like this. In this rectangle area, distance must be 45 to 45.72 meter. This, or it is near about 4.57. This area 4.57 meter. It is 45.72. Individual will start walking from here for continue 6 minutes. He will do the rounds. Or in 6 minutes, how much distance by walking? If he have a capability to run, then he can run also, but by walking. Because senior citizens, we know that more than 80-90% they cannot run. So for 6 minutes, for them to run for 6 minutes is very high level of the risk. So how much distance they cover, that we will measure. It is given in a rectangular area measuring 45.72 meter multiply 4.72 meter. Cones are placed along the walking lines at regular intervals in order to show how much distance has been covered. The participant has to walk as long as he can within the duration of the 6 minutes. Means 6 मिनट में वो कितना ज़्यादा उसके राउंड्स लगा सकते हैं, that is necessary. A practice trial may be given and participants allowed to stop whenever she needs to. Depend on them. If they cannot walk for 6 minutes, they can stop before completion of the 6 minutes also. Okay, scoring total distance cover within the stipulated time and recorded to the nearest meter, and the recommended ranges for these tests based on the different age group are shown with the table as follow. Okay, for different age group, table is given, chart is given in your book, or we will compare their data, their result with the chart, or that will be the performance of the senior citizens. So these things you have to remember. 6 batteries are there. Chair stand test for lower body strength, arm curl test for upper body strength, chair sit and reach test for the lower body flexibility, especially hamstring, back stretch test for the upper body flexibility, 8 foot up and go test for the agility, and 6 minute walk test for the aerobic endurance of the senior citizens. Okay, dear student, here this chapter is completed. In 5 parts we complete this chapter, very easy. Only that Rockport 1 mile test, that formula is very long, nothing it is. You will do, I know this. If any problem is there, you can send me the message on WhatsApp and then I will try my best to solve your problem. So tab tak ke liye sabhi ko namaste, thank you, we'll see you in the next part. Thank you.